Hi there. I will demonstrate how to set up Video Context MCP Server. First, please check the prerequisites. Node.js must be installed, a supported MCP client. Personally, I use GitHub Copilot in VSCode and at least one API key. Although the minimum requirement is a single API key, I would strongly recommend we get all the API keys from all these providers because, for example, if this provider fails or rate limited, it will fall back to the other providers. So in terms of the pricing, this is actually free. This is paid, but it's very cheap. And also Gemini is free. For the audio providers, technically these two are not free, but they have free credits. So I think this is generous enough. And these two here are free. So let's go back to the actual first step, which is installing. So let's copy this command. Oh, sorry. So there, it's already installed. These commands are also handy if you want to check the current version or if it's outdated or not. So for example, we want to check the current version. So as of this recording, the current version is 0.39 beta. And let's proceed with the next step in the we need to set up the MCP config. So as stated here, we must place it in here. Actually, there are two approach on setting up uh, the MCP config, either globally or workspace level. Uh, for now, I'll just recommend the workspace level. So you can create a folder called VSCode. Then inside the VSCode folder should be mcp.json. So again, let's copy this and let's replace this with the actual API keys. So don't worry if I will expose the API keys because after this recording I will revoke or delete these API keys. So that's it. We have now all the API keys. On the next video, I will demonstrate the basic usage. So thank you. Bye bye.